And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on Onyxcoin. Shout out to the XCN family. Appreciate you guys. Yes, I missed two updates. Just decided to kind of take a little bit of a break. Sometimes, it is very necessary to, kind of step away and just kind of take a little bit of a breather. And that's something I would strongly encourage you guys to do so as well. But obviously, we are in Sunday. Sunday we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, especially over the weekend because CME futures are closed. But if you're looking at the last 1 hour, we are seeing a little bit of an excitement within the markets. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to discuss XCN. So let's get right into it. So XCN, of course, is in the top 200 right now in terms of its rank. And as of now, you are seeing it up 10%, which of course is nice to see. But let's take a closer look and understand what's really happening. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 1.95 cents, so almost 2 cents if you were to round it up 10% in Bitcoin and also 6% in Ethereum comparative. The market cap 637.6 million and the 24-hour trading volume finally showing some sort of a relief at about $150 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So now looking at the Bitcoin dominance index here, guys, obviously I want to take a look at it on an hourly perspective because that is the best way to be kind of really understanding what's happening. So dominance has, gone down a little bit, obviously compared to, a Friday. So we have seen quite a sharp drop for the dominance, to be quite frank with you. But Bitcoin is not making up its mind right now. Bitcoin is having an extremely hard time deciding which direction it really wants to go in. Of course, we did see this wick up to the likes of 99,300 on Friday, but, that was short-lived because right after that, we heard about the Bybit announcement. Bybit major breach that happened. And that really, I think, had a major impact on the crypto market as a whole. And of course, that brought the price of Bitcoin down. And Bitcoin has been hovering around this $95,600 range, over the last few days. Of course, we do have some resistance around this level, but, goes back to what I've said 1,000 times on this channel. You want to see Bitcoin sitting at $98,000 plus. That's the confirmation in order for us to be excited. And of course, that's not where we are right now. But dominance is showing some interesting things against Bitcoin right now, which of course is something that, we shouldn't really be ignoring. But let's really take a look at XCN on, the hourly time frame. So of course, we know XCN had, a major bloodbath over the last few days. A lot of people were calling me crazy for saying that, XCN will drop to certain levels. And here we have it, guys. Let's actually go back and analyze where the price of XCN went down to. Look at that. Set 1.74 cents. 1.74 cents. And it went, we only didn't fill the wick on the third. We actually went lower than that, retesting some of the levels we haven't seen since the 24th of Jan, which of course was last month. So of course, quite a bearish drop for XCN right now. But could this really be a recovery? Is it oversold? Are whales really going to step in? Is this really manipulation occurring at its finest? Possibly. But right now, you are looking at quite a big bounce for XCN over the last few hours. Here, let's actually take a look at it. So from this 1.72 cents, we actually saw XCN go up about 25%, but you saw this massive wick up to 2.1 cents. Is this really going to fill in? Because one thing I want to show you guys is we've been seeing these massive wicks. Look at this. Here we have it. I'm trying to show you guys from every single angle. We've seen these wicks before, but we haven't really seen these wicks, fill in or last too long every single time. Look at this, where the price just keeps going down. So is this just a complete fake out and we're heading more towards the downside to the likes of 1.4 cents? We'll see what happens. In order for us to kind of have confirmation, to see whether or not the price is going to get down to that level, you need to see at least the wick at that 2.6 cents fill in. I think that would be a major statement right now for XCN. I think that's how I want to be looking at it. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, that itself is a move of about 34.68% from where we currently are. Valuation on a project like Onyxcoin right now is quite low. So, with the liquidity that it has, with the hype factor that it recently has built up, the 34% move doesn't really surprise me too much, but you want to see, XCN not only holding around this range, but, slowly but surely making its way up to the likes of this 2613 zone, for us to kind of really see, hold on, things could really start getting excited. Because if we just completely see this as a fake out and, retest the 1.7 cents again, then, a complete invalidation. Right now, of course, against Bitcoin, it's performing really good. That is one plus point that I want to show you guys because, like I said, look across the board, majority of the coins are down, XCN up 9%. So we look at it from every single angle. So far, so good. But with that said, need more confirmation. And in order for us to completely get excited, I do believe you need to see the price go up to 2.6 cents and actually remain above there. I think that could be, a nice indication that, the price is actually indeed in a recovery. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace.